Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
Hey you guys, it's Whitney. Welcome back to another video. Today I am so excited because we are taking it outside and I'm going to be doing a spring front porch makeover, refresh, whatever you want to call this video. I've never decorated this outdoor space before and I love how it turned out. So please let me know in the comment section what you guys love, what you don't love. I always really enjoy hearing from you. Anyways, I'm really excited for you guys to see this video, so we are just gonna get started. All right, so this is the state of our front porch now. We just have these chairs on here, and then it's pretty much empty. I'm gonna start by rinsing off the porch. I'm gonna get the siding and the rails and the floor. We just had tons of dirt and bird poop and pollen out here over the course of the winter into the spring. So it really just needed a good rinsing.
And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
So now that everything has been rinsed off, I am gonna go in and scrub off these red mud stains. Our house is new construction. We've lived here for about 2 years and we never took care of these stains from the builders when we first moved in. And I know that they make specific cleaners for this, but I didn't have anything on hand. So I'm just using a detergent mixture. I went ahead and saturated the entire surface, and y'all will see I started by using a little hand scrubber, and then I realized that this was gonna take forever. So I went into the garage and we have this giant broom slash scrubber thing that we use for the garage floor. So I brought it out here and used that to scrub everything off, and it worked perfectly. Now, it didn't get all of the red mud stains out, but it does look 100 times better than it did before.
I'm looking up from my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow, I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet, we can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room, we'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone, we'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared.
So now I'm gonna go back in and rinse everything off with the hose. And we do have a power washer, and I plan on power washing the porch as well as the siding on the house. I'm waiting until after spring because of all of the pollen, but that is something that I plan on doing.
I don't know how much I want you, just looking at you makes my whole world spin.
So after I let the floor air out for a few hours to dry off, I went back outside, and now I'm just cleaning off the table and chairs that you see here with a multi-purpose spray. And these rocking chairs are actually Tim's grandmother's, and he sanded and restained them in the fall last year, and I just love how they turned out, and I really like that they're sentimental.
We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on.
Now I'm just gonna go in and wipe down the shutters with the same spray. There was tons of pollen caked on here, you guys will see in a little shot, and it really just needed to be wiped down.
We can spend all day in bed.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really.
So moving on, I am going to be wiping down the rails with that multi-purpose spray as well. There was tons of bird poop and pollen and dust and spider tracks, everything on these rails. So I'm just going to go through and wipe them all down.
Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you.
And then the last thing that I'm going to be wiping down before we get into the decorating is the front door here. I hate this door so much, you guys. There are tons of dents in it left over from the builders, but we really just needed to move in, so we left it. We do plan on getting a new door as well as a handle that has a little keypad on it, and we would like to get a storm door as well. Hopefully in time we'll be able to do those things, but for right now, it gets the job done.
Playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you.
So now we are going to get into the decorating portion of this video, and I'm going to start by decorating the front door area. I got this really awesome under mat from Target. It's reversible, so it has buffalo check on one side and stripes on the other, and I really love that because I'm somebody who gets bored of stuff very quickly. So I feel like if I get bored of the buffalo check, I can just switch it and it gives it a whole new look. I also got the top mat from Target, and then this lantern that you see here I actually got from Walmart, and this is a fairly big lantern, and I believe it was only like $18, which I think is a steal.
Hey, playing songs on the radio.
So now I'm going to be decorating the chair area here, and I got these pillow covers in the fall last year, and I got them off of Amazon for $11 for both, and I love that the buffalo check transitions into fall really nicely. It's such a classic and timeless color scheme no matter what time of the year. And then this watering can is actually Tim's grandma's as well, and I'm just putting a couple of fake florals in here. Now I'm just going to be hanging some Boston ferns, and when I first started hanging them, they were way too high, so you guys will see I hang one up and then take it right down. They just looked awful. So what I'm using to lengthen them is some grapevine twine, and I just kind of do like a little knot, and they are strong, you guys. We used these same loops last year for some hanging flowers, and they held up all summer long with the wind and everything, and I just think it's a really great, inexpensive way to add some length to your hanging baskets.
Wanna grow old, I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace.
So now I'm just going to quickly go in and cut some of the dead parts off the ferns, and you guys will see eventually I just start to pull them out because it was a lot easier that way.
Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17.
And then the last thing that I'm going to do is sweep, because when I was cutting the ferns, I had a lot of leaves and stuff fallen onto the ground. So I'm just going to quickly sweep, and that is going to finish off my front porch.
We had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah, I would, just to see all my friends. Running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time.
Anyways, you guys, that is going to be it for this video. I hope that y'all enjoyed it and it gave you some inspiration for your front porch. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in my next one.
Stealing smokes from your parents. Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we